Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. This is the renovation over the old painting. So just now I am doing the skyline. You can see putting the sky blue and the white color here. Now for the mountains, you can see the one side has shade, another side doesn't have. So that's why putting the white color only one side, but it doesn't have the shade. Putting lots of white color. Mhm. And the shady other side, there's going to have a different color which has a similarity with the soil. So let's put the color. Its name is burnt sienna. Okay, so putting that color on the other side, you can see the color is changing pattern. All right, here, and later we're going to mix it up within the white color. Okay. In some parts on the the bright side, just putting that color like the drops. Okay, drops of the water. And the white color just coming up from the top like the snowfalls, so putting that one like you can see here like the snowfalls. Okay, and on this side we are just shaping the appearance of the mountains, putting some colors at the bottom. Okay, so because the mountain has so much height and it has lots of snowfalls on the top, that's why putting more white color on the top and doing these graphics, coming the white color to the bottom. Awesome. For the house here, let's put this color like this one, horizontal pattern you can see here. Okay, so obviously it has a pitched roof and you can see the bottom sides with the same color. Putting the white for the house here. Mhm. And you can see the texture just running vertical the whole body, and for the roof you can see the texture just running horizontally, and again putting the pitched roof. Awesome. Later we're going to put the doors and windows, but before that one primarily you have to put the green color at the bottom to finish the landscape here. So let's see, putting the green color at the bottom. Lots of greeneries. Okay, also see the green colors here. And the field here is also going to be the green, that's going to be the light green. Okay, that's why brushing the whole area. And this layer is going to be a little bit darker green. That's why later we're going to add up some darker colors within the green to enhance its presence. So that's why let's mix it up with the, you know, little bit red color. Red when mixed up with the green, it becomes a little bit dark. So on the top, putting the red color, mhm, enhance the darkness. Okay, we also need to put some texture at the bottom here. Mhm. Again, adding some red color on the top of the landscapes. Also, it's getting colorful and getting darker. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So here you can see the ups and downs of the landscape. Awesome. For the details of the house, we need to add some darker color here. So let's do the linings with the darker color. So you can see the linings of the house, giving it a shape of the peach roof. On the top, just draw something like this one. Yeah, and this is the vertical lines at the bottom. Okay, and the window you can see just giving it a rectangular shape, and you can see another rectangle here for the doors. So just the visual presentations looking nice. Awesome. And the mountains here, just putting some slopes with the darker color, just give it a nice graphics. Mhm. Going up to the top and putting the darker shades on the right side and lighter shade on the left side. Awesome. So if we like to add a tree here, then in this case we need to use the darkest color, that means the black, because the mountain is already dark in this side. So by adding, like you can see the shape of the main trunk. So we're trying to give it a organic formations. Okay. All right. All right. And at the bottom the tree is a little bit darker, and at the top it becomes a little bit lighter. So that's why the graphics of the tree which I am drawing right now, that's going to be the darker at the bottom part, and just emphasizing on the left side, and on the right side I'm going to put some soft color so that the tree is nicely visible. So let's see. In my opinion, if I use the yellow color, then it may be very springtime and looking very nice. So let's see. If we don't try, we don't know. So it's always better trying the new stuffs and having the experiment. How does it goes? Okay, so because the black color is very powerful, so the yellow color is just getting fade after we put it. That's why we need a lots of yellow, but it's adding a nice value to the painting texture here. Awesome. So we are just filling up only the few void portions which were left blank in the middle of the black lines. Mhm. Okay, adding more yellow. Awesome. And on the left side, just putting some shadow like appearance on the trunk, making it just little bit lighter. Mhm. So the organic shape, it looks good. All right. So this is almost end, and the lining here, just putting some colors. And if we want to separate these visual positions, let's add some white border outlines here just to separate the landscapes, the line of the trees and the line of the fields here. Mhm. And putting some racks of the white racks. Okay, white racks looks good just to define the field very nicely. And here you can see the uh, base of the tree lines now getting visually clear. Okay, and the scenery has changed here. For the clouds, if you want to uh, put more emphasis on the white clouds, then you need to add more white color. So let's see, we are going to try in a single place. So on top of the mountain, if you want to increase the concentration, just put some white like this and add it, so it's going to add a special value to the painting. And just try to merge it with the blue color on the top. Awesome, so that's a nice idea. Let's see how does it looks having. Very nice. Let's move the camera. Mm-hmm. Okay, so a small house at the foot of the mountains. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next episodes, in our next videos. If you like to know more, you can go to the playlist and select lots of drawings in different categories. We have playlist, nice playlists and lots of drawings. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.